Incredible gadgets that redefine smart and stylish tech. From sleek designs to jaw-dropping functionality, these gadgets are must-haves for any tech enthusiast. Make sure to stick around because you won't want to miss the game changer. For more details on these amazing gadgets, check out the links in the video description below. Now, let's jump right in. The future of smart fitness tracking with the InSmart Solar Digital Body Weight Scale. This innovative scale does more than just measure weight. It tracks body fat, muscle mass, and more with advanced bioimpedance technology. Powered by light energy, it charges effortlessly under sunlight or indoor lighting, so you never have to worry about batteries. Its sleek design fits perfectly in any space. Looking for a compact yet powerful charging solution? Meet the Baseus 10,000 mAh mini magnetic wireless power bank, your ultimate on-the-go companion. This sleek, pocket-sized gadget features MagSafe compatibility, delivering a fast and secure wireless charge for your devices. With its 15-watt wireless and 20-watt wired fast charging, it can power up your smartphone quickly, whether you're at work, traveling, or simply on the move. Sonog S2 Pro Smart Screen Bluetooth Earphone, an ear clip headset that redefines comfort and sound quality. Its open-ear TWS design delivers immersive audio while keeping you aware of your surroundings, perfect for sports and daily use. With its smart screen display, you get real-time updates like battery status and connection info. The Ion Ungrade Wireless Mousepad Controller. This innovative combo set merges a sleek touchpad, keyboard, and mouse into one seamless device. Perfect for productivity or gaming, its wireless design keeps your workspace clutter-free, while the ultra-responsive touchpad ensures smooth navigation. The compact keyboard layout provides all the functionality you need, and the integrated mouse controller offers precision like never before. Experience gaming like never before with the One X Player X1. This sleek and powerful gaming laptop packs a punch with its AMD 8840U processor, 10.95-inch display, and Oculink interface. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, the One X Player X1 delivers immersive gaming experiences on the go. Its ergonomic design ensures hours of comfort while gaming or working. Level up your gaming experience with the Baseus GH02 Gaming Wireless Headphones. Designed for gamers who demand immersive audio and seamless communication, these over-ear headphones deliver crystal-clear sound with deep bass, perfect for every battle or adventure. The built-in mic ensures flawless team coordination, while the wireless connectivity keeps you untethered and free to move. With an ergonomic, lightweight design and long-lasting battery life, the GH02 is your ultimate gaming. The MLUV P3 Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker. With a powerful 40-watt output, Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless connectivity, and crystal-clear stereo sound, it's your ultimate sound companion. Its IPX7 waterproof design lets you enjoy music at the beach, pool, or even in the rain without a worry. Add to the vibe with stunning RGB lights, and keep the tunes going using a micro SD card or Bluetooth. The future of wearable tech with the TCL Ray Neo X2 AR glasses. These next-gen augmented reality glasses combine style and innovation, offering a stunning visual experience with dual micro-LED displays, vibrant colors, and crisp clarity. From real-time translation to seamless navigation and even managing calls or notifications, the Ray Neo X2 makes your everyday life smarter and more immersive. Introducing the Ulanzi BC08 Sling Bag, your ultimate photography companion. Designed for versatility, this universal crossbody bag offers a 9-liter capacity to store your DSLR, lenses, and travel essentials with ease. Perfect for outdoor photography adventures, it features a waterproof design to protect your gear from the elements. With its stylish and ergonomic sling style, you'll enjoy comfort and quick access on the go. Tempotech Sonata BHD Pro, USB-C DAC, a game changer for your audio experience. This high-performance digital-to-analog converter instantly enhances your sound quality by delivering rich, detailed audio directly from your USB-C devices. Whether you're using it with your laptop, phone, or tablet, the BHD Pro ensures crystal-clear audio and supports high-resolution formats for audio files. Imagine a world where language barriers disappear instantly. The Time Kettle M3 simultaneous translator is here to revolutionize communication. With real-time translation in over 40 languages and 93 accents, this cutting-edge device lets you speak, listen, and connect effortlessly. Whether you're traveling, doing business, or learning a new language, the M3 combines AI-powered accuracy with comfortable wireless earbuds for seamless conversations. DM104G Smartwatch Phone, your ultimate all-in-one gadget. This powerhouse isn't just a smartwatch, it's a full-fledged phone on your wrist. Featuring a large touchscreen, 4G connectivity, and support for a nano SIM card, you can make calls, stream music, and even browse the web effortlessly. With built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, it's perfect for sports and outdoor adventures. Its 5-megapixel camera captures crisp moments on the go. Basis Laptop Stand Holder. Made from durable aluminum alloy, this foldable and vertical stand is not just stylish but highly functional. It's designed to securely hold your laptop, whether it's a MacBook Air, Pro, or a PC, while keeping it cool and saving precious desk space. Its ergonomic design ensures better posture and a more comfortable working experience. Looking for the perfect ride? Meet the Sunigu N7 PRO electric scooter. With its powerful motor, sleek design, and ultra-long battery life, this scooter is your ultimate ride for city commutes and weekend adventures. Zoom through traffic at speeds up to 25 miles per hour, enjoy a smooth ride with its advanced suspension system, and travel up to 30 miles on a single charge. The Visitu S3 PRO, the ultimate smart mug for coffee lovers who need their drink at the perfect temperature for hours. This 14-ounce app-controlled mug lets you set your ideal temperature via Bluetooth, so your coffee or tea is always just right. Not too hot, not too cold. With a 4-hour battery life, it keeps your drink warm whether you're working from home or on the go. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech content. And remember, you can find all the links to these gadgets in the video description. Until next time, stay smart, stay stylish, and stay tech savvy.